Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel today. I am going to show you how to set up Verizon Wi-Fi Extender using the My Verizon app. This setup will expand your network range and give you stronger and more reliable internet coverage throughout your home. First, open the My Verizon app on your phone and make sure you are signed in to your account. Then tap the Home tab at the bottom of the screen. From the Home Devices section, select the device you want to manage. After that, tap Setup Extender and choose your Wi-Fi extender model. Now, tap Begin Setup and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. The app will automatically guide you through the connection process and configure the extender with your main router. Wait until the setup is completed successfully. Once done, your Wi Fi extender will boost signal strength and eliminate dead zones in your home for smooth browsing, streaming, and gaming. Make sure your extender is placed halfway between router and weak signal area for best performance. If you face any issue, restart the app and repeat steps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Stay connected and enjoy your improved Wi Fi experience. Always ensure firmware is updated and extender LED shows solid green for proper connection all the times. Stay tuned for more simple and easy to follow guides just like this one. I'll be bringing more tips and tricks to help you learn faster and work smarter every day.